Okay, so once the algorithm has switched and confirmed, it gives me my stop if I'm wrong, and it also gives me my targets if I'm right. There's 1, 2, and 3 right here, and sometimes I get even more than that. All right, so May 19th, our algorithm has switched. It's Friday, so we're able to jump into this position right here. So we just got into that, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. All right, because we made it 90% of the way, I'm going to go ahead and move my stop to just above break even. And break even is the algorithm's entry point, not the spot that not the spot that I actually got in. All right, so there we go. We got through the first level, so we're moving our stop to 1051. So if it backs up, then yeah, we'll be out with our first target. All right, so it backed up, hit our first target, and we are out with profit. So that is going to give us 13 cents per share. So pretty sweet, pretty sweet. So, you know, some of the other stocks, they give us $2 per share, but then we don't get as much share size, you know, like 30 shares or 20 shares or whatever. But yeah, so that's pretty awesome. So 13 cents per share. So that sets us up. That sets us up pretty good on the week. All right, so I had to head out today, so I wasn't able to continue trading. Didn't even get to close out the day, so I wanted to jump on here real quick and just show you close out the day. So with this single trade, we're looking at 13 cents per share profit today. So pretty good day. Yeah, overall account's doing good. This week was it's an okay week. I could have, you know, I didn't trade very well yesterday. I should have had a green day yesterday. You know, unfortunately today I had to head out to take care of some other stuff. I did have another trade that's set up. So we had this trade set up in its perfect time slot here just after 12 o'clock. So unfortunately I wasn't here to take advantage of it, or today would have been a sweet day. You know, it would have made another 90 cents almost or whatever. So it could have been a pretty awesome day. But either way, we're green, so we're good. So going into the weekend, green is always nice. Yeah, so this week we had a green Monday, a green Tuesday, a red Wednesday, a green, not really green Thursday. We broke even on Thursday, crazy. And then and today we're green. So we had one red day. So yeah, all right, everybody, we'll see you on Monday.